Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start by opening a browser and going straight to Google. No account required. Once there, type your query in the address bar and use filters in the results. This gives instant answers without signing in. Make sure to run an incognito if you want no local traces. Allow location only for map accuracy, otherwise deny it to protect privacy. This gets you immediate access to search, news previews, and basic map lookups right away. Once done with basic search, you can access more advanced tools via direct URLs. Type google.com/maps. Q equals latitude, longitude for a location view, or use search operators like site, and file type to refine results. Make sure to use your browser's temporary cookie mode so features work for the session, but no account data is stored. If a feature asks for sign-in, try the cached page or text-only view to extract the information. This often preserves function. To finish, set your search preferences and save search while still unsigned to shape results for the session. Once complete, export or copy any useful links. Remember they're not tied to an account. If something stops working, the key troubleshooting tip is simple. Clear cookies and site data, then reload. If that fails, disable extensions or try a different IP or a brief VPN change. This resolves most sign-in prompts and access errors without creating an account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.